In the last few years, we've witnessed how central banks, one by one, were announcing that they were working on their own CBDCs. But what exactly are those? Should we be ready for total control over our finances, or that's not such a big deal? Let's find out! Surely, the success of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies didn't go unnoticed by central banks. Maybe it even scared them a little, so banks decided to do something about it. And you know how the saying goes, if you can't beat them, join them. Central Bank Digital Currency, or CBDC, is almost the same thing as the usual fiat currency, only it's virtual. We can't touch it. CBDC is also issued by a central bank and it is backed by the government. Compared to cash, CBDC can reduce the cost of papermaking, printing, storage, and transportation of fiat-related manufacturing processes, as well as the increased use of business transactions. So why do central banks want to develop digital currencies if, in the end, they're almost the same as fiat? There are several reasons for this phenomenon. Safety. Central bank can create a highly secured ecosystem for the CBDCs, so we won't be needing any other brokers or commercial banks. Efficiency. Growth in the efficiency of payments. Fewer risks. Reduction of credit risks and liquidity risks of counterparties. Competition. There is increasing competition in the world's financial market on which country will create the perfect digital currency. Transparency. Bringing a part of the economy out of the shadows by reducing the level of anonymity. Confidence. Users feel more confident in the financial system. As you can see, there are pros and cons for central banks and for users. With CBDCs, we won't be needing any commercial banks or brokers, plus operations with digital currencies will be cheaper for the bank, so maybe the bank could reduce transaction/service fees for users. Smells like total control, doesn't it? There won't be any other bank or broker, and the central bank will be able to control every transaction made with the CBDC. Yes, it's not that bad. For sure, there will be less illegal activity and crime. However, it also gives too much power to central banks and governments. They can transfer or withdraw money from your wallet, as well as freeze your account for any reason. CBDCs are also programmable money, meaning they could have an expiration date like the digital yuan. Bank of China can revoke users' money after a certain date.
And it's gone.
Not only will governments be able to see where you are spending all your money, but they get the opportunity to instantly withdraw funds from your account under any circumstances.
Holy shit.
For some, that is totally fine because they have nothing to hide, but others can say that that undermines their personal freedom. In conclusion, the creation of CBDCs means connection of all our personal financial information with credit systems. Governments will be able to see our health and political donations, but that will also help with solving crimes in the country. So the main question still stands. Do we need a central bank digital currency? Share your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button to not miss out on our next videos. See you soon!